Okay, good morning, dear students. So today we shall continue the examples on identities on algebra. That is product of, find the product of x plus 3 into x plus 6. The first option is x square plus 9x, x square plus 9x minus 18. Second option, x square plus 9x plus 18. Third option, x square minus 9x minus 18. Fourth option, x square plus 9x minus 18. It's simple. So we want the product x plus 3 into x plus 6. Opening of the two brackets. So first we multiply x plus 6 by x. So x into x plus 6, then plus 3 into x plus 6. So this x is multiplied to x plus 6 and 3 is multiplied to x plus 6. So it becomes now x into x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 3 into 6, 18. So it is x square plus 3x plus 6x, 9x plus 18. That is second option. The same way, another question is the product of x minus 6 into x plus 4. X minus 6 into x plus 4. The first one is x square plus 2x minus 24. Second one, x square plus 2x plus 24. Third one, x square plus 2x minus 24. X square minus 2x minus 24. Fourth option, x square minus 2x minus 24. That is also same. Just again we have to find the product of x minus 6, x plus 4. So which is x minus 6 into x plus 4. Same. The x is multiplied to x plus 4. That is x into x plus 4. Then minus 6 is multiplied to x plus 4. Minus 6 into x plus 4. Now again open the bracket, x square plus 4x minus 6x minus into plus minus 6 4 are 24. So which is x square. In this x is common, so minus 2x minus 24. So third question is the product of 3 plus 5 by x into bracket 9 minus 15 by x plus 25 by x square at x equal to 1 is, the first one is 154, second one 153, third one 152, fourth one is 150. Just here given equation is, here one polynomial is given 3 plus 5 by x into bracket 9 minus 15 by x plus 25 by x square. But to find the value of this product where x is equal to 1. Wherever x, put x equal to 1. That is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 by x is 1 into bracket 9 minus 15. Again x is 1 plus 25 by x square, that is 1 square. So which is 3 plus the 5 by 1. Anything by 1 is that thing, that is 5 9 minus 15 by 1 is 15. 1 square 1. 25 1 is 25. So which is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 8. 9 plus 25. 34 minus 15. 34 minus 15 is, that is 14 minus 5 9, which is 19. 14 minus 5 9, that is 0. 19. Sorry, 8 into 19. 19 into 8. 8 9s are 72. 7 carries 8 1 the 8 plus 7 50. 152 is the answer. 152. That is option number 3rd. Expansion of x plus y bracket cube. X plus y bracket cube is, the first one is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Second option, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Third option, x cube minus 3xy plus y cube. Fourth option, x cube minus 4x square y plus 5xy cube plus y cube. Expansion of x plus y whole cube it is. It is direct formula. We have the formula of x plus y bracket cube is equal to, x plus y bracket cube is x cube plus, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But use that formula, x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. A cube plus 3ab a plus b cube. So it is x cube plus, open the bracket, 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Alright, it is the simple expansion. That is option number 1st. The 5th question is, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. X minus 1 by x is given as 3. We have to find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. The first option, 63. Second option, 35. Third option, 36. Fourth option is 64. So we need the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. So we can use the formula of x cube minus 1 by x. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? So a cube minus b cube, we can find a cube minus b cube from the formula of a minus b bracket cubes. That is x minus 1 by x bracket cube is equal to x cube plus x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3ab. 3 into x into 1 by x into bracket x minus 1 by x. Here I use the formula of a cube a minus b bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. Here a is x, b is 1 by x. So we need this value, x minus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. This will cancel. Here given that x minus 1 by x is 3. So 3 cube is equal to, this is required, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 on the 3 into again x minus 1 by x cube is 1, x minus 1 by x is 3. So this is 27 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube and this minus 9. The minus 9 take to LHS. 27 plus 9 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So therefore x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 plus 9 is 36. If if a plus b is equal to 10, and a square plus b square is equal to 58. Then the value of AQ plus BQ is, the first one is 570, second one 470, third one 375, fourth one 370. Here a plus b given 10, a plus b 10, and one more given a square plus b square is 58. These are two given. So we want AQ plus BQ. So in the given list of formulas, AQ plus BQ formula is there. AQ plus BQ is equal to, that is A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. Here A plus B is there 10, A square plus B square is there 58, minus AB still we have to find. So first we have to find AB from these two given. Now I can use the formula of A plus B whole square, because A plus B 10 given, so we can use A plus B bracket square formula. That is A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here 10 square, A square plus B square is given 58 plus 2AB. So which is 100 minus 58, which is equal to AB. So 100 minus 58 is 42. 42 is equal to AB. Then AB equal to what now? Divided by 2. That is 21. 21 is equal to AB. Now here put AB is 21. So 10 into bracket 58 minus 21. 8 minus 1 7. 5 minus 3. 37. So 37 into 10 is 370. The fourth option. So eighth one is, another next question is, if A plus B is equal to 7, AB is equal to 12, then the value of A square minus AB plus B square is, first one is 14, second one 15, third one 13, fourth one is 16. A plus B given 7, AB is 12. We want A square minus AB plus B square. Again, we have A square minus AB plus B square. In the formula, A square minus AB plus B square available in the formula of AQ. So A plus B is given 7, AB is given 12. So here we want A square minus AB plus B square. This can be arranged like this: A square plus B square minus AB. A square plus B square minus AB. So we need now, AB is given 12. So first we find A square plus B square using the formula of A plus B bracket square. A plus bracket square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A plus B is 7. 7 square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 into AB is given 12. 49. This is 24. Take 12 HS minus 24 is equal to A square plus B square. That is 5. 9 minus 5, that is 4 minus 25 equal to A square plus B square. So this is how much? 25. 25 minus 12 is 13. That is the value of A square minus AB plus B square. Next one is, if A plus B is equal to 10 and AB is equal to 20, then the value of A cube plus B cube is, A cube plus B cube is, the first one is 400, second one is 470, third one 570, fourth one is 370. So the A plus B is 10, AB is 20 given. We want A cube plus B cube. Now we can use the formula of A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube in terms of A plus B and AB. That is A plus B into bracket A square plus B square minus AB. That is the formula of A cube plus B cube. If A plus B is 10, A square plus B square not given, so minus 20. AB is 20. So first it is required to find A square plus B square. So for that we can use A plus B bracket square. A plus B bracket square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A plus B is 10, 10 square equal to A square plus B square plus 2 into AB is 20. That is 100. This is 40, take LHS minus 40 is equal to A square plus B square. 60 is equal to A square plus B square. So now it becomes 10 into, this is 60 minus 20. 10 into 60 minus 20 is 40, that is equal to 400. If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 79, then x plus 1 by x is equal to, the first one is plus or minus 6, second one plus or minus 7, third one is plus or minus 8, and x plus or minus 9. Here it is x square plus 1 by x square is 79. We want x plus 1 by x. That is, use the formula of x plus 1 by x whole square. Because there is a x square plus 1 by x square will come. Now x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus, means a plus b bracket square. A square plus b square means 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2x into 1 by x. Now we want x plus 1 by x bracket square equal to x square plus 1 by x square is 79. This can cancel plus 2. It is 81. So x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus. Then this 2 becomes raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of. That is 81. So plus or minus 9. Then some questions. I will give homework. That is, I will send in group. Then try to solve in home. And tomorrow onwards we start the topic, right? We can start the syllabus.